Hi everyone, for those that don't know me, my name is Daniela and I'm a physician assistant in New York City. I wanted to share something with you guys that I've been trying for a few days now. My schedule is so busy, I'm a PA, I don't really have time to grab breakfast, but say no more because I have this amazing protein from LadyBoss LEAN, which I'm going to show you guys how to use, how to implement it in your daily schedule. It certainly has a lot of nutrients that you need. So let me show you guys how I'm going to make it. I can just make my coffee in like a minute. So I'm going to put 8 ounces of coffee and I'm going to make it in the blender just so it could be a little bit more smooth this time, but I can easily just make it in my cup and just shake it and take it to work on the go. And then I'm going to put 1 scoop of the protein from LadyBoss, because we're all boss girls over here. You can put ice. I'm not gonna put ice at all. That's it. And then I'm going to put it here. This LadyBoss protein shake is delicious. Oh my god, the taste is so good and the consistency. I could literally take this every day and not have to wake up early to have a meal. So some of the reasons why I love this LadyBoss protein shake is the taste. It's amazing. It has such amount of protein and all the minerals and vitamins that you need. It also helps you save money. You don't have to worry about another meal, or in my case, getting up early to make a meal. I've tasted a lot of protein shakes because I'm really into fitness, but this taste of LadyBoss is amazing. Like, I have not had a protein shake that tastes this great. Sometimes we need a product to help us achieve that success and help us be healthy and be able to accomplish all of the things that we set our mind to. So let me share something with you guys.